One thing I don't mind doing is keeping cars clean and shiny. So today we're going to take a quick look at products from GT Shine that can make that job easy and enjoyable. The first thing we'll be checking out is the GT Twist drying towel. It can dry your car to a streak-free shine in under 90 seconds. Then we'll be trying the Quick Ceramic Spray, a quick and easy to apply ceramic coating. To be completely honest, this towel is amazing. I dried the whole car and didn't wring it out once. And I don't think I can wring anything out of it. The ceramic coating is sprayed on one panel at a time and simply buffed off with a microfiber towel. We'll do a little section right here and compare it to the part that wasn't done. And we'll put it on with this towel. And wipe it off with a clean one. Here's the two sides compared. It does have a nice deep dark shine, and it feels like you just waxed it. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the GT Twist drying towel and the Quick Ceramic Spray from GT Shine. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.